What's up, guys? Welcome to another motovlog. I'm in a parking garage right now. I just wanted to take pictures of my bike on this nice and gloomy, foggy Sunday. Whew. The roads are wet, but you know, we'll handle that. Let me start this while I put my gloves on. This jacket I have, this new one from Amazon, cost me $80, but for $80, it's a really good, you know, quality. Here's the bike. It's very atmospheric right here. Bro, this color is amazing, bro. I like how this thing is glossy black. The 2016, the one with the gold frame, you know, with the matte black, I don't know, it seems a little childish, their color scheme. But this one looks like a man's bike. I'm just saying that because, you know, mine is the glossy black. Yeah. All right. So let's make sure my phone is secured properly. Okay. And let's get out of here. Ooh. I just love how smooth this engine is. I know I keep saying it, but the smoothness of this thing is just unreal. If you want a really smooth engine, I'd go for the Z900, guys. It's super refined. It's probably the most, you know, smoothest motorcycle engine you'll ever ride. Maybe a Honda's might be smoother. Who knows? Those Hondas have really nice inline fours. Super smooth. Very nice. Okay. Let's get out of here. Whew. Nice and gloomy. Wow. This fog is cornering here. Just take it easy around the bends. I don't really corner this bike too often since, you know, a lot of roads in New York comprise of you know, straight roads. Try not to over rev it. My visor is completely caked up with moisture. Looks like I gotta wipe it. It works, but this fog is not doing it, not giving it a good time. It's so weird. I can't really adjust these mirrors properly, man. I don't know. They're always bugging me out. I can never get it to a good position. You know, never a good position. It's my tonight, but it has to make it right. Gonna do the night. I won't go home without you. Wow, my tires are slipping a bit. I feel it. Just a tad bit, or it could just be the bumps are a little weird here. Yeah, but we'll just cruise on home. I'll set a good pace here, 70 miles an hour. Feels like a responsible speed. Oh, wow. Yeah, every time I turn off traction control, cruise control, there's always a jolt, like, you know, the power just cuts immediately, which is a little bit quirky about the cruise control on this bike. Gotta wipe my visor, gotta wipe my visor. I feel like I'm playing, what's that game called? Fuck, what's that game? Metro, where you wipe your visor. I don't know. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Cruising, baby. Wet today, baby. Wet today. I feel like I'm the only guy riding this bike. I'm getting hungry, man. Woo. Miles. I'm getting closer to the braking interval. This foggy residue, ain't it? Foggy residue, baby. Baby, woo! If it was drier and my bike wasn't in braking period, I could definitely gap that thing. This bike feels so smooth that it doesn't feel like I'm going 90. It's actually crazy. Look at this. 80, 90. It's actually crazy, bro. Way too fast. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Wow. This is crazy. Can't believe I'm actually going 90 miles an hour on this thing. Such a mean machine, bruh. Mean machine. That power. Hit 100. Fastest I've gone, I guess. It's crazy. Alright, let's chill out. Let's chill out. Wow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace out. Stay warm in this gloomy day.